Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and I offer up to 60 minutes of free Act software support. Act CRM has a lot of bells and whistles. It can do a lot of things, and if you run into issues, we offer friendly support options, and we want to make this easy for you. So we offer to get started up to 60 minutes of our time for free. All you have to do is reach out to us with your Act questions or issues, and we'd be more than happy to take a look at them and see how we can solve your problem. Again, it's very easy to work with us. Simply book a time, or you can call us directly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I try to make it easy for you to have a great amount of success with your Act CRM software. And my goal is that you have a great experience. So ladies and gentlemen, if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Tony Holowitz.